Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find absolute extremum. So now I want to show you. The first thing, we put number 0 inside the function in here. And the second one, f of b over 2. So we put b over 2 gone here. And we have b over 2 minus number 2. So the next one, we need to find first the derivative of the function. First derivative of x, we have number 1. This one we have cosine x. Later that we put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. And now we have cosine x equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. And k in here should belong to integers. And we have a equal to negative a cosine of b plus k to b. Now we can apply the formula in here. And we will have about s equal to a cosine of 1 over 2 plus k to b. And s equals to negative a cosine of 1 over 2 plus k to b. So in this situation, we can find the value of this one. And we have b over 3. This one we have negative b over 3. And now we want to find the value between from 0 to b over 2. So in this one, we just have only this one in here. And now we put f of b over 3 gone here. So this one we have b over 3 minus the square root of number 3. Now we compare the value of this one, and this one. And we can see that this one that is about local mean. And this one that is about local max. Because number 0 is bigger than this one and this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.